So after you remove the drain piece right here, it has a nut, and you have to hold this down. This actually turns, this starts to uproot above here. As it loosens, you have to hold this as you turn the nut, as you can see right there, and then this will come out. Now you have to clean this area. You got to clean this area. This is what the washer looked like, the one that was coming on here. So this has to be replaced, and here's the replacement. So here's the old one, here's the new one. This is part of the reason for the leak as well. And that just slides in right like so. So that's seated in. Okay. Okay, so I used some steel wool to clean off putty. I'm going to get this stuff also off. And this is all clean as well. So I'm going to install the drain. So this nut needs to be replaced. I couldn't find this being sold separately, local, so I just got the whole set. It only cost a few bucks, so it has everything, including the nut that I need. Okay, so I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to replace it with this. Okay, I'm going to take some plumber's putty. Okay, now, rubber washer. Tension ring. Here's the strainer nut. Okay, so I put some Teflon here because this is prone to leak from this area. So I put some Teflon tape here, tighten this. I also put one of these in between here to make a tight seal inside this nut here.